Coffee caramel flavored wheat jaggery based celebration cake is so delicious and yummy. Come, let us learn this. Hi, hello, and welcome to my channel Yella Chanagide. I am Rajeshwari, a professional home baker. Today, let us learn how to make a wheat jaggery based celebration cake. Firstly, let us grease a 5-inch cake tin and line it with a butter paper or a parchment paper. And all the ingredients taken here are given in the description box. Take a bowl, add in the curd and add the baking soda to this and give it a good mix using a whisk. Celebration cakes are generally made of maida and sugar, but this celebration cake is completely made of whole wheat flour and powdered jaggery. So this can be had guilt-free by everyone, and it really tastes very delicious. Uh-oh, I started sifting the flour now. Sorry, it's a mistake. Once the curd and soda has been mixed well, add in the jaggery powder and give it a mix. Mix it thoroughly until the complete jaggery powder has been thoroughly mixed in the curd mixture. You can use any jaggery powder which you get it in the shop, or you can grind the jaggery into the powder using a mixer. I've added oil, vegetable oil. You can use any flavorless oil and vanilla essence. Give it a good mix. Now let us sift in the dry ingredients, whole wheat flour and baking powder into the wet mixture and give it a good mix. Make sure the batter is not too thick nor too thin. Keep it at the flowing consistency so that the cake turns out to be very moist. This can also be baked in the stove top in a pan. You can heat up the pan and keep a wire rack in it and place the baking tin, and it can be baked in that also. No need of microwave oven or OTG, but today I am doing it in my OTG, which is my regular oven which I use for baking. You can, if you like this video, please do like and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such delicious eggless cakes and other delicious recipes from our channel. I am transferring it into a greased and lined baking tin. The batter is very perfect and it is not too thick nor too thin. Give it a tap so that there are no air pockets in the cake. Meanwhile, I have preheated the oven at 170 degrees Celsius. I'm going to bake it at 170 degrees Celsius for about 20 to 25 minutes. Now I'm going to prepare a simple syrup so that our cake remains moist for long. I have taken half cup of water and a tablespoon of sugar, and I have given it a complete mix. Just check out how our cake is done very well. The skewer inserted comes out clean, so the cake is baked very well. I'm doing a coffee caramel flavored cake, so I'm using cream cheese and little bit of icing sugar and little bit of vanilla. Cream cheese frosting is going to taste delicious with a coffee caramel flavor. Give it a good whisk with a electric blender. I'm going to add cold whipping cream to this and again whisk it very well until we achieve at a soft peak. Check out, it's so nicely whipped up. Let us trim our cake. I am taking off the top portion and I'm going to divide this cake into 3 parts. The cake is baked very well and it's moist and tender. I'm using a serrated knife for this, which makes the cutting even. Just handle it little soft while cutting the cake. Make sure to cut the cake evenly. I'm using Levista Premium instant coffee powder to get the coffee flavor. So I'm adding 1 teaspoon of it to the sugar syrup mixture which we prepared earlier. You can increase or decrease the coffee flavor, but 1 teaspoon for this small cake will be perfect. I'm going to arrange the cake with soaked in coffee syrup. Make sure to use a generous amount of coffee syrup in this so that the cake tastes good with the coffee flavor. I'm adding the frosted whipped cream and cream cheese frosting. Spread it evenly. Use a palette knife and be gentle. Make sure the cream is evenly spread across all over. Now I am filling the center with the caramel syrup. I have used a store-bought caramel syrup. Caramel syrup you can make it at home also. Be generous in doing the filling. Repeat the same procedure with all the other cake portions. Do try out this cake at your home and let us know in the comments how it turned out for you. We would be happy to read your comments. So coat all the layers very well and make the caramel filling and do a crumb coat of the cake. This cake can be enjoyed by everyone as it is made out of wheat and jaggery. Even kids will eat this without any guilt. So all the 3 layers are lined and I've done a rough crumb coat. This need not be a nice finish, just a covering of the cream for the entire cake. I had set the cake for about 2 hours in the refrigerator and I just trimmed off bottom of the cake so that we get a coffee mug shape to it, and I am doing a final coating of the cream for it. On top of the cake I have put chocolate cream so that it looks like a coffee mug. It is ready. Now let us keep all the decorations ready for this. These are all made out of fondant. All these fondant toppers need to be prepared a day advance so that they are completely dried up before decorating on the cake so that they don't lose their shape. I've used strings to support these fondant toppers, and also I've made coffee beans out of fondant so that it can be used for decoration. Let the cake sit in the fridge for about 3 to 4 hours before arranging the fondant toppers. This will make sure the fondant toppers are firm and they won't slip off the cream. And also make sure the fondant toppers are dry. Be patient enough at this stage. It takes a little effort and time in arranging these toppers. Do subscribe to our channel for more such eggless cake recipes, and also do comment in the video how it came out for you. I have just used few biscuits so that it looks good along with the coffee caramel cake. Now the cake looks ready. Let's check out how beautiful the cake has turned out. For more such videos, do like and share our channel and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much. See you again with more such recipes.